Today's drawing is of Itachi Uchiha, a very popular character from the Naruto anime. This is my old drawing, which I have uploaded to the YouTube short and long video. First, we will draw a circle for the face. Then, we will mark lines for the head, eyes, nose, and lips. After that, we will connect the center line with the circle's outline and start shaping the head. Next, we will start drawing the hair. For the drawing, I am using a H pencil. Finally, we'll draw the body and all the visible details. First, I will start with the outline and do the shading alongside it. While shading, I will focus on the light and dark areas to create depth in the drawing. For shading, I have taken a 6B pencil. In the final step, I use pastels for the blood effect and also for the background. I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.